Before fire, night did not belong to us. When the sun disappeared, the world changed owners. The grass went silver, the trees became shadows, and somewhere beyond the dark, eyes were watching. For early humans, night was not just quiet. Night was teeth. A branch snapping in the dark could mean wind, or a predator moving closer. Children stayed near the bodies of adults. Adults listened. Everyone waited for morning. Then came fire. Not just warmth, not just cooked food, a circle of light. A small sun that humans could carry. At first, fire may have been borrowed from storms, wildfires, or burning landscapes. Keeping it alive was already a kind of genius. Someone had to feed it. Someone had to guard the embers. Someone had to learn which would smoked, which would sparked, and which would burned long into the cold hours. And slowly, the edge of the night moved backward. The dark was still there. But now it had a border. Inside the firelight, faces appeared. Hands became visible. Food could be shared. Tools could be repaired. Children could see the smiles of the people protecting them. Outside the firelight, animals waited. Inside the firelight, humans gathered. That difference may have changed everything. Because a fire is not only a tool. A fire is a place. It pulls people toward it. It gives everyone the same center. And when bodies gather around the same light, something else begins to gather too. Attention. Memory. Maybe a warning about the riverbank where the big cat waits. Maybe a lesson about which roots make the stomach hurt. Maybe the story of a hunt that almost went wrong. Maybe a child asking why sparks fly upward into the stars. Fire did not magically invent storytelling. But it changed the stage where storytelling could happen. By day, people had to move, search, carry, watch, run, dig, and gather. But after sunset, fire made a new kind of time. Evening time. A time for talking when the work of survival slowed down. A time for joking, teaching, remembering, planning, and imagining. Around a flame, a group could become more than bodies staying alive. It could become a community. And this may be one of fire's most underrated gifts. It made night social. The fire also changed fear. Predators still existed. Cold still existed. Hunger still existed. But fear was no longer spread everywhere. It had been pushed to the edge of the light. And at that edge, humans learned to watch together. One person alone in the dark is fragile. A group around a fire is something else. A circle of warmth, a circle of eyes, a circle of trust. Maybe this is why fire feels ancient even now. A candle, a campfire, a stove flame, a fireplace on a winter night. Somewhere deep inside us, flame still means, come closer. The first humans did not conquer the night all at once. They negotiated with it, ember by ember. And every time a flame survived until dawn, the dark lost a little more power. Before fire, night belonged to the world. After fire, night became part of the human story.